There they are, so hard. Patience lang talaga. You need to have patience to do this. Ayan, malapit na natin. Going in here. This 4 and this is 4. So, need to join it this way. And this is 4. I think. Yes. How is Jimmer? Nakasakay na siya?
Oo, may nakasakay na ang bakla.
Magmadali ba? Ang bakla. Kala ko ba dito matutulog yun? I think it is the last one. I need to join that. Perfect. And the last one here. So for that needs to, that is the first one, needs to go to the second one. Ano nga yung ginawa niya para dito? I think it needs to be both from here, from there, and from there. Okay, so from there,
Mami, ano, gusto mo?
what did you pick? Oh my god, bumaba ka na. I'm still full. But let me put cheese in. 2. Enough. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, thank you.
Hindi ko ito ulit ito ha. Pag may pack doon, bilhin mo na ako ng ano, bayaran lang kita.
Masarap na?
Takadagta ko ulit ito.
Nice. Yan, malapit na mga katusok. I will check this one out. Kaya lang hindi kasi siya kompleto eh. The others is at home. So I need to do it the others at home. I will just make join this one. Hindi na siya naulan, darling? Bakit ka nakapunta?
Hindi na po.
Ah, sige, sige. Kaya pala nakalawson ka.
Di ba off mamaya, mami?
Yes, that is why I'm still staying
Kaya
here.
pala.
It's my day off, so we'll see you on Tuesday on CD. Pupunta lang dito ako ng madaling araw.
Okay. Para?
Mag-attend ng Connection Day.
Eh, bukas pa yung Tuesday off pa rin.
Oo.
Ah, nga pala. Macho ka pala.
Yes. Hindi na ako nag-RD-Plex kasi malapit lang man ako. And I need more sleep. Balik daw tayo doon, darling, on Robe's birthday.
Go, ma. Okay, dokie.
Yes.
Masaya nun. Tapos PSC na tayo.
Oo. Yes. Wala nang makikialam. Ah, I have something to make chika pala. Wait, I'll just close my camera. It's exclusive.